I've got the MÜHLE STF SILVERTIP fiber synthetic head to sink into Timeless Razor's adjustable shaving knot. A lot of people, even Andrew over at AP Shave Co. said, yeah, it won't work. He actually sent me a, handle. He's like, can you seat it yourself? And yeah, I can. But I actually tried it with the 25 millimeter collet that comes with these. It worked. I mean, it's not seated all the way in like, this AP Shave Co. is, but it works. I mean, it's not going to hurt it. So, I'm going to give that a shot today. Also, I'm going to be using Bundabeard's Last One Standing, the shave cream, and the aftershave balm. This stuff is high end. I really like it. The blade I'm going to be using today is Filoso, and the razor I'm going to be using today is the AL13++, which is the medium. Got 4 days of growth, so I got quite a bit of growth. I have thick, sensitive hair. I got my shave soap here. You get a huge container from Bundabeard. This is 5.6 ounces. I'll put the links down below. Let me just wet my hands here. Get my face wet. I mean, I can talk while I'm doing this shit, right? And the synthetic knot, I can tell right off the bat that it doesn't have a ton of backbone. There are a couple people in the review section that said, oh, this brush is better than, the AP Shave Co.'s GS5 and better than the T3. And I'm like, yeah, I've never heard of that. So I contacted AP Shave Co. and Andrew, he's like, sure, man, I'll send you one out. But I asked him, will it seat in? Because that was the question I got. Will it seat in with the Timeless adjustable brush? It does for me. It's right here. But right off the bat, the backbone, there's like none. I mean, this thing just goes right to a fan. Now, that's not a bad thing. Super soft. Soap is so good. It's going to really make this brush look good. So, I like it a little more backbone. But it's not bad. This to me, to like AP Shave Co. would be like the golden nib. That's how soft it is. And the golden nib, it doesn't have a lot of backbone either. All right, that's a good start. I like to start here, prep my face a little bit and then go and load my equipment. The Filoso blades are made in Czech Republic. I believe it feels like it's double wrapped. So I'm assuming it doesn't have any goo or glue. Yeah, it is double wrapped. So there's the first wrapper, second wrapper. I'm already digging that already. And there's the blade. The barber's blade, it says on it. I don't know if these are mild, medium, I don't know. Philip, the owner of Sharp Shaver, he had sent these to me, I don't know, 3-4 months ago. And wanted me to give them a try. And I'm just finally getting around to it. So I figured I'd use one of his soaps too. Because last week's video, the Shark Dive, that soap was awesome. And the winner of that whole setup I used last week is E. Jones. So congratulations, brother. Don't forget to comment down below in the comment section in this video, or that video, it doesn't matter. And I'll give you my email address and we can see which razor you want, the Rockwell 6S or the stainless steel Centesi. Both are great razors. You can't go wrong with either. All right, so now that we're loaded, I'm going to go back in here and just hydrate a little more. I mean, look how good this soap is. Crazy good. This is a glycerin. This is a vegan soap. I don't know what he's charging for this, but vegan soaps are normally a little expensive. And I know his price points are very good. You guys should check out his product. I'll link that down below. All the products that I'm using today. All right, we're going to call that good. I could build it up more, but why? All right, so going in here with the Henson, you're going to see how good this razor is and how good this blade is. Feels like a very mild blade. I had a buddy that he's just learning and he's like, yeah, I do one stroke and I just go back down and rinse it out. No, brother, I'm like, just bend the razor. Yeah, not a big fan of this razor combo setup. It's a very mild blade, so what it's making me do in my head, I'm thinking, all right, I got to press harder to remove more, and that's not the case. You just got to go over it with more passes. Because I put a Persona comfort coat in here, or an AccuForge, or AccuThrive blade. I mean, it's just going to go right through all this. Okay, this side. I would say this blade's comparable to like the arcade blades that come with the Henson razor, because those are super mild. I mean, I could switch, but why not? I mean, might as well just keep going. You can see, if I don't get the correct angle with this razor, it does not cut. That's a beautiful thing about this razor. I mean, this is a medium aggressive razor, and it's actually struggling a little bit. All right. It'll do better on the second pass for sure. I think if you're an everyday shaver or every other day, this razor blade setup would be probably even good for me. Tugged on it a little bit. Yeah. I think I got any cream up there. Goes my phone. Here is his phone's being blown up with messages from the Democrats and the Republicans. I mean, it's just, they won't leave me alone. I probably get 20 messages a day. It's freaking stupid. You shouldn't be allowed to do that. Complete harassment. It started at 8:30 this morning. Freaking woke me up on a Saturday. The brush, not bad. If you're one of them guys that likes something super, super soft, this is your guy. But me personally, I like the AP Shave Co. G5S and this handle. It rocks, man. It's got just enough backbone. It's soft. It's kind of like the T3, but this one is even, softer than that. It's a little too soft because it has no backbone. All right, I do feel a little tingling downstairs here on my neck. Now let's go across the grain here. Now this is going to be a better pass for this razor for sure. Yeah, it's extra mild still. Hear the tone difference just by switching it over? Or flipping it over? Yeah, not a good setup for me. I can definitely say that. Yeah, way too mild. Way too mild. Now, that's why when people buy the Henson and they use the arcade blades that come with it, and they don't get a good shave like that, that was not a good shave. They think, oh my God, this is not good. Well, that's why you got to get a variety pack. Truly and seriously is. All right. Yeah, I still have quite a bit over here. Same over here. I'm going to do a little touch-up pass here. Actually, I might just go. Let's just go 3 passes here. See how mild it is. I had a zit right here. Didn't even open it up. That's when you know you got a mild razor. Well, I'd say 0 blade gap. All right, it's gonna be a little more difficult. Now, I normally don't chase BBS. But I didn't get a close shave. And I want a good shave. Now we're good. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with, switch to cold water and go in with an Alun block. This is a game changer. Very inexpensive. Again, all this stuff is listed below. Use my affiliate links to help support the channel. Oh yeah. Little stinging under my cheeks, which, you know what, that happens a lot. But it wasn't a perfect shave. I mean, I could tell you that when I was shaving. Little tingle down here. It's not a burn, it's just like a tingle. And you keep going over it with this till the tingling stops. It stopped. Now, rinse it off with cold water. Good to go. Go in with Thayers. Just ordered a new bottle of this, but I still got a little bit left in there. This stuff lasts forever. I mean, I even put it on my face and my head. People always ask, how much do you put in? I don't know. That much? I put quite a bit on. I mean, because I'm putting it on my head too. If I was putting it on my face, probably half that. Okay? Goes on nice and wet. Now, this shaving balm, it's a solid. So you just put your finger in there. All right? A lot more than that. All right. That much. I mean, this stuff's going to last forever. Put it in your hands. Do little Miyagi-san from Karate Kid. And start applying it to your face, your head, wherever you want to put it. I really like this stuff. It goes on, especially paired up with the Thayers. It's a win-win. Oh, I mean, face is really shiny right now, but in about 20 minutes, it's going to soak into my face with that facial toner by Thayers, and it's just going to look perfect. I love it. Absolutely love it. So if you have sensitive skin, you break out all the time, or you have acne and you're shaving, grab this stuff, man. I had a buddy I gave this to. He was breaking out on his head, like back here, both sides. I gave him a bottle of witch hazel, and within a week, like I saw him again. I'm like, dude, that stuff cleaned up already? And he's like, yeah, stuff's awesome. So kudos, and you're welcome. I gotta say, this Bundabeard, you guys haven't checked this out, I'd go to his website, check that out below. Great product. I mean, this is up there with Ariana and Evans, PAA. It's that good. Unheard of in the wet shaving community. The brush, the people that were commenting said this was better than GS5. No. It might have been years ago, but not anymore. It doesn't have any backbone on it. And I like backbone. I like to get it. I like to get in there and get underneath my hairs. And I struggle with that. But it is made for people that like super soft. Well, there you go. I'll put Andrew's website, AP Shave Co, below, so you can pick one of these up, and it does fit in the aluminum timeless razor adjustable brush. Again, the giveaway from last week, or for last month, from my previous video, the Rockwell 6S or the Goodfella Centesi stainless steel razor, was won by E. Jones. So don't forget to comment down below, Mr. Jones, and we'll get together and I'll ship that out to you. This month for the members, I'm giving away a timeless stainless steel 0.68 with the, I guess this is their #1 selling handle. It's got great weight to it. If you never heard of timeless razors, these things are off the charts good. Just a work of art. I absolutely love. I love the scalloped head on it. And I have the serrated plate or a solid plate. So whichever one you want out of the members, just let me know and I'll ship that out to you. But what a beautiful, beautiful razor for a giveaway. And if you're not a member already and you want to be entered into these huge contests that I have for my higher end razors, hey, join the channel. I'll put a link down below. It does help support me, and I want to give back to you guys for, giving up a monthly fee. I did hit a milestone last month for a channel with 13.8 thousand subscribers. Unheard of. So thank you guys so much. Hit that subscribe button, because you're going to watch this video anyways. You might as well just hit subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys down the road.